Look at that, guys. We're here in Cabinti, Louisiana. Look at it. Tingnan nyo. Grabe ganda. Ayan, mga santol. Ang daming bunga. Hitik na hitik eh. Ito yung motor natin, si Buhawi. Yung itsura. So we are only about probably mga 30 minutes to Kamay ni Jesus. So let's go.